Hi guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to the channel. I've got the Chaka Luminous Reverie series to open with you today. I'm so excited. I was first in line and first in the store on release day. So let's get into it. Okay, first box. We've got all these amazing designs here. I like them all. I'd love the secret. I think the only one I don't really want is spinning, but maybe it'll look better in person. We shall see. Okay. Oop. Some extra bits. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so pretty. Okay, let's see who we've got first. We've got Ripple. Oh, so pretty. And I think they each have a little poem in the back, which I won't read, but I'll read it in my own time. But oh my goodness, look at her. I'll just take this foam out carefully. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, so she's got this beautiful white hair, white outfit actually, and a blue, light blue kind of scarf. Beautiful, beautiful pale blue wings. And look, it almost looks like a plait, but it's gold, so it must be out of either out of her helmet or some sort of design there. Oh my goodness, she's like a pilot. And I love this beautiful bronzy, but still gold kind of stand. She's got one eye open, little wink. Oh, so pretty. Let me just pop her flame on. There we go. And there she is. This one is Ripple. So elegant. All right, let's pop her there. Okay. Next one. Here we've got 1, 2, 3. Oops, she's wrapped in protective foaming. Wow. Oh my gosh, this one is, hold on, let me just grab the card. Glide with Grace. Oh my goodness. Stunning. So this one definitely looks like a swan. And look at that. I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but she's got this beautiful fine glitter everywhere on her body. Like a bit of fairy dust sprinkled. And I love, love, love this pale purple tint on her wings, on her little swan tail here. This gold headwear. Beautiful, beautiful coloring. Her eyeshadow, so beautiful and pale. And oh my gosh, wow. This is so stunning. And that beautiful white, so smooth. Okay, oh my gosh, let me just pop her flame on. There we go, I think it's in. And there she is. I think it's supposed to be a bit like this. Look at the flame, it's so unique. Nothing like it so far in any of the collections. Oh gosh. I know I'm only 2 in, but I am just loving it so far. So pretty. Okay, next one. Ugh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Another one covered in protection. Let's see who this is. Oh, okay, this is the one that resembles an owl. She's got a few more accessories, but I'll show you her card. This one is Feather. Very simple name. Okay, wow. Let's have a quick look at her. So she's blonde, beautiful green eyes, pink eyebrows, beautiful orange tone, and this one also has a bit of that faint fine glitter, but only on her wings. So I turn around and look at that elaborate hairstyle. A little bit of a, looks like a certain type of leaf. I don't know if it's a maple leaf maybe. Gold, little hair pin thing there. She's looking very, very wise. Grab her accessories. Okay, that's one. Perfect. And then the mask that she comes with is actually magnetic. There you go. Oh wow, stunning. I wasn't sure about this one because I thought the orange might really clash, but it's so subtle and like a very muted tone, so I think it fits very well. Put that there. Okay, this is the last one. This is the last one in the first row. Let's see who this is. Ooh, lots of accessories. Oh, won't look at the card just yet. One, two, three. Okay. I wonder if all of these are going to come in this protective bag. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so this one is Messenger. Wow. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at her. So she's got beautiful whitish, bluish hair, pink hands and legs, or feet, I should say. And her dress looks like a bird's feathers. I don't know what kind of bird. Maybe something really fast. A beautiful little birdie helmet. I didn't catch that before. Okay, and then these lovely wings to help her fly. And then this Chaka glittery goodness in her helmet. And I read on the Popmart website that it actually glows in the dark if you shine a UV light on it. So that's really, really cool. I don't think I have a UV light, so I'll have to try it out, but that's really cool. Oh my goodness, look at her. She just looks so amazing. I'm really loving the tones. I'll just grab her accessories. Okay, so she's got a few. We've got her flame, of course. Oh, beautiful, satisfying pop on that one. Then she's got a little stand for her to stand on. Make sure I pop it in the right way. Oh, nice and easy. I love that. And then she's got a nice little leaf. Oops, little leaf. Let's see how I pop this on. I'm so so bad with accessories, but straightforward, hopefully. Yes, okay. There we go. Oh my. Stunning. I love it so much. All right, let's pop her here. It's like she's surfing on the wind. Okay, starting the second row. Let's see who's next. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at this one. All right, let's take off these funny things. Oh, so cute. Okay, so this one is Honeyed Dawn. I was going to say it looks like a little bumblebee, even though there's no orange or yellow, but look at this. Same goggles. I'm starting to see a bit of a theme. A helmet, headwear, antenna, and she's got a very fuzzy little shawl scarf neck thingy here. Beautiful flowers. She's holding it in a cute little basket. She's wearing like a little you know, these people when they race they wear those jumpsuits. That's what she's wearing. Her little butt and her hair, the same beautiful green, pale green color, and cute little orangey clear wings. Cute eyes as well, beautiful color. She's adorable. I don't know if she's gonna stand, probably not. Okay, let's put this little flame on her first. Nice and easy. Another unique flame. I think it's kind of like she's flying and it's kind of blowing in the wind. And then she does have a little stand as well. All right, let's see if I can work it out. Okay, I got it. There you go, look at her. So cute. I'll put her with her fellow flying buddy. Super cute. Okay, next one. This one feels quite heavy. Secret, maybe. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Not the secret, but honestly, I do not mind at all. Okay, this one is Tea Break. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the tones and the colors. I mean, I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but wow, look at this gorgeous purple hair. She's holding a cute little silver teacup. She's got a beautiful blue, it looks like lotus, maybe lotusy, grassy green dress and shoes. Wow, little buds here, the flowers you can see. And if we spin her around, oh, look at this unique little headband. So cute. And you can see it goes from like this nice white color down to a clear purple. Oh, I'm in love with this. Oh my gosh, she's like a little fairy. All right, let me get her accessories. Okay, so she's got a nice little metallic pink flame. Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at that. And she's got, look, a leafy stand this time. Oh, stunning. I love it. Oh my gosh. Is this a favorite? I mean, the others are so good, but this one is so pretty. All right, let's pop her there. She can have a cup of tea while I continue opening. Okay, we're halfway through now. Let's see who we've got next. One, two, three. Who's this? Sorry, I keep gasping at every one, but oh my gosh. This was another early kind of favorite that I thought I might like when I saw this collection. Look at her. Okay, this is, whoops. This one is Grand Display. Ah, the elegance, the regalness. I love it. So she's obviously modeled after a peacock. Oh my gosh, okay, beautiful light blue hair. Stunning dress. Just look at the details on this peacock headpiece here. She's got her little head in her hands, like pondering life. Oh, missed a little spot. And oh my goodness, look at this. This is the representing the peacock tail. Oh my, just fans out behind her. Oh gosh. It's not simple, but the idea is relatively simple, but oh, she is stunning. Let me grab her accessory. Okay, her little flame here. There we go. Okay, look at that. And even the flame has a little peacock design in it as well. Love that attention to detail. Look at her, she's so pretty. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, final one from the middle row. Skinnier bag, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, she comes in a little plastic protector too. Nice. So this one is Echoes on the Vine. Wow. Like a little fairy again. This beautiful little flower here. Flower hat on her head. She's got silver hair. Actual silver this time. Beautiful purple eyes. Cute dress with a gold bow. Gold shoes. I love this extra little puffy part. Purple as well. Oh, look at this cute little bun. Oh, so cute. Double bun. Oh my gosh, that just makes it even more adorable. And the back of her dress really reminds me of, I was going to say Sailor Moon church. And she's obviously sitting on a vine. So cute. Oh, she's so precious. Let me just get her accessories. Okay, there it is if you want to have a look. Don't know if you can see that, sorry. Cute little clear. Okay. So cute. And it's got a little, just a tiny little bit of gold paint on there. Love it. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's pop her down right here. Okay, we're down to our final row, which is so sad. This is probably my most favorite collection ever. Oh my goodness. Okay. Thought I saw a bit of a purple there, but this one's a bit difficult. Whoopsie. Oh, a bit of a spoiler here, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so pretty. This one is in a ginkgo breeze. Ah, look at her. This one is more warm tone compared to all the other ones that we've had. She's got a beautiful gold crown, beautiful brown hair. I love this little foof inner fringe. Another nice scarf that's fluffed or furry. Beautiful, elegant dress. Gold ruffles detailing it there. And she's also sitting in a sort of, not a swing, but like on a vine, and some beautiful gold ginkgo leaves. Oh, gold hands as well there. So cute. I'll just grab her little flame. Oh, I love this flame. Look at that. It's purpley blue with a gold little tip. Matches her whole aesthetic. There we go. Look at that. That one was in a ginkgo breeze. Okay, let's pop her on this side. Okay, this is the third last one. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the one that I wasn't sure I was going to love. Let me just take the foam off for a sec. Get the card out. So this one is spinning. There you go, you can have a look. Yeah, so look at this. So she's got the beautiful blonde hair and it is glittery, which is amazing. And she's holding on to this vine, the stem, and then she's got a pink tutu that's also looking like a poppy flower, I think. And oh look, this is her leg and her other leg. So she's like a dandelion flower, I think. She's kind of spinning, which is really cute. I love the idea. I just don't love the color choices in this one. I just find compared to all the other ones, it just stands out a little bit too much, and the colors I find a little bit garish. I mean, look at this bright yellow, this really bright red, and then this green. I don't know, I don't love it, but I do love the design and the thought behind it, just not the color choices. There we go. Okay, a nice little pale red there. Now it does look a little bit bright on the camera, but it is slightly lighter than what you're seeing. I'll pop her right here. Yeah, my least favorite, but still very cute. Second last box. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Okay, this one is the cute fairy one. Most fairiest one of them all out of the whole collection. Okay, and I'll just show you her card. That's it there. It's guidance. Very nice. So this one, so pretty. She's got the white hair. She's got a beautiful dress on. Her hands, she's wearing either gloves or just metallic blue there. I don't know, her shoes. Oh, like she's a little ballet dancer. Cute. And then look at this headpiece, pink. I think these are her antennas as well. I'm not sure, but they're so cute. And it's more of a rose gold helmet for her. Look at these beautiful butterfly wings. Opaque in the middle. And then it's a beautiful faded pink there. Oh, this one is so cute too. And I think this, it almost looks like a little pine cone or something, tying her helmet on her head. Cute. Okay, and her accessories, she's got a beautiful opaque white flame that goes into a pink tip, looking like that. And then she's also got a little stand to stand on as well, just like this. Okay, yes, I love it. So elegant, very nice. Okay, where should I put her? Just here. There we go. Kind of can still see her a little if everyone moves over a bit. Okay. Okay, we're on to the final box, which means it's going to probably be not the secret, but we'll hold out hope. Oh, this box is really hard to open. Okay. Final one. I don't think it's the secret, just based on the shape. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my goodness. See, she's stunning. I can't. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. The final one is Brief Embrace. Oh, she's so elegant. Look at her. So she's got the parasol there. She's wearing like, it almost looks like a coat or just outerwear. Beautiful long dress. She's got this beautiful flower, which I don't know the name of. Not a peony, probably. Oh, look at her hair. She's got a long plait. Oh, look at the detail of leaves. The top of her head there. Another flower. I wonder if it's almost like shoulder pads. Stunning. And then she's of course wearing the huge flower on her head as a hat. She's so stunning. So elegant. Oh my gosh. And I read online as well, they made a note to say that it is painted in like an iridescent kind of paint for her hair, and yeah, you can tell it's so beautiful. Just get her flame. There we go. Look at that. One of the more unique ones, just because of where the flame is in the front of her head as opposed to the middle or back like the others. Ah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think I love all of them. I mean, even this one, Spinning, which I didn't love the color palette, but I think as a collection, it's just so special, so unique, and so different from the previous collections as well. I think the top row there is my favorite, but all of them are so stunning. I think the artist really stepped it up. Love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me which one's your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.